What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 champagne opening gadgets. Will be a part 2. Let's see what I got this time. By the way, subscribe to my pet channel Cool Farm, links in description. Anyways, let's get to it. Some of the gadgets are vintage, some of them new. This is one of a kind for sure, I haven't seen it before. So as you can see, extractor, I guess it's self-explanatory. You put it between the cork and then you just lift it up and it's supposed to pop the cup out very far away. Anyways, looks very interesting and fun. Okay, then looks like I just need to stick this in right between the cork. Oh, okay. You see how it's between the cork and the bottle. So, very simple. And now I have to just pull this down the flaps and it's gonna shoot off the cup. Okay, first the close up. Whoa! That is so easy to pop it open. Just don't aim at anybody. The cork flew all the way to the ceiling, hit the ceiling and bounced down. You know what? Let's try this again with a different bottle. This is too much fun. So we're gonna open it up. But this time I probably try to shoot it towards something, not up into the ceiling. Okay, once again, be careful opening this right here, the cage. Once you remove the cage, it's pretty much at any time can pop. This time I'm gonna put it in and aim it towards the camera like that. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Woo! Wow! You can do it one-handed as well, just with one crank. Works so well. I can't believe they don't make them anymore. This one a little bit rusted on the inside, but wow, what an amazing gadget. I love this so much. So you can even pop it open sideways and shoot the cork into the air, and guess what? Nothing spilled out. For the next champagne bottle opener, not really sure what this one for. I guess you can make it tighter. I guess you can spin it and slowly pop it open. So this is what we're going to do. Slide it between the cork and the bottle all the way in. It's gonna go all the way into the back too. And then you just spin this and it should lift it up the cork. So looks like I gotta hold this and spin this. Ah, my cork isn't big enough. There you go, now it's going up. Oh, it worked, but kind of a fail. As you can see, the cork flew out. Also, this bottle champagne is cheaper, so the cork didn't grab it all the way. It was sliding. But overall, pretty cool gadget. This is a vintage one. Let's see if I have anything better. This one is a very unique one. As you can see, a regular bottle opener. And on this side, it's not really sharp, but there's an edge for you to pop it in between the cork and the bottle, and then you're just going to pry it open. And hopefully it will work. This is the brand of it. This is a vintage one too. Okay, and this is very simple. As you can see, we're gonna stick it right between the cork and the glass, all the way in. Wow, that hit the ceiling. But as you can see, it works really well. I didn't even have to pop it open. You just slide it in and the pressure will do the job. Let's do this one more time with a little bit more expensive bottle of wine. Just like $3 more expensive. I think the cork is a little bit better. So I'm gonna do a close-up once again because I wanna see how it looks like when we pop it open. Remove the cage. Okay, and there goes nothing. We're gonna stick this right in between there. Okay, more expensive bottle, as you can see, doesn't pop so easily. But all we have to do is just push it up and that's it. Very, very nice champagne bottle opener and regular bottle opener. Thumbs up for me. Oh yeah, this smells way better. For the next bottle opener, very simple, almost like a nutcracker. But they were advertising it as a champagne bottle opener as well. Well, let's see if it actually works. Grab the cage, take it out first, and as soon as you take out the cage, now it's free for all. You gotta be very careful where you're aiming at. Okay, I'll go like this. Grab it, very, very tight. Twist it. Whoa, that works really well, as you can see. Thumbs up for me for this very simple plier nutcracker champagne opener at the same time. I like this one a lot. And I saved the best for the last. This one is very, very unique bottle opener. This is, I think it's called Saber bottle opener, and there is a blade, but it is not sharp at all. Pretty sure you're supposed to hit it with this side, left hand. You see how there's edges that you're going to put it into the bottle, I guess, and you slice it like that. I guess you can go that way as well. Oops. Depends what you want to do. Let's open up one of the bottle with this knife. This is probably the dangerous way to open a bottle of champagne. You will have to remove the cage and then hold it really tight with one hand, wrap it up with towels or something, just in case the bottle will explode, but it shouldn't. And then we're gonna slap it this way like that. You gotta hold it really, really tight. You see how I'm gonna go down this way and hit the edge of the glass, and it's supposed to cut through the glass perfectly, so that way there is no sharp edges. And this is what I'm talking about. I wouldn't drink out of this bottle, but this is how they serve the champagne. They pop it open and then they pour it in a glass. Pretty strange. Hopefully none of the glass went inside. I wouldn't think it would anyways, because do you see, we spilled a little bit of a champagne, so if anything it would push out all the microscopic glass out of the bottle. So that's the idea. But yeah, this is one way they sell this kind of knives. They're very, very dull, but this is how you can open a champagne. But be careful, don't shoot the bottle into somebody, so make sure there's nobody standing in front of you, because you're pretty much shooting off a piece of glass. So very strange way to open it, isn't it? Let's try this one more time. One more right here. Gonna open up the cage for safety precautions. I don't trust this way bottle opening that much, but it works, as you can see. One more time. I have done this multiple times before, never exploded in my hand. But let's try this again. Hold it like this. 1, 2. Ah, missed it. You see what I'm talking about? Second time, did not miss it. Again, pretty smooth way to open it. And look at that, it's pretty much full, spill out a little bit. Awesome, now you can pour it in the glass. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is gonna be first time George swimming. Let's see how he does. Oh wow! He's natural. Whoa, he's fast. Come on. Oh, there is no step there. You better swim. At least he figured it out where the steps is. Oh, looks like he's running out of juice. Stand over there, that way you won't fall off. Okay, I think he's learning now. Do you like water, George? You like water? You like water? Come on. He's like, I'm out.